for mean, how you get the mean is you add the numbers and then you divide by the number of numbers on the list. Another name for mean is average. I always remember this because I say it's mean to add friends and then to split them up to divide them. So on a survey, 6 students reported how many minutes it takes them to travel to school. Here are their responses. Find the mean travel time for these students. If necessary, round your answer to the nearest tenth. So I'm literally going to just add these numbers. Add them all up. When you add those up, you get 46. And then you divide by how many numbers were on the list. Well, they told you here there are 6. So 46 divided by 6 is 7.6 repeating. However, they want the nearest tenth. Now a 10 has 1 0, so they want one number after the decimal. So you literally have to decide what to do with that number. Either it's going to stay like it is or it's going to go up 1. If the number next to it is 5 or larger, this will go up 1. So since the 6 next to it is larger than a 5, you do have to add 1. So it's not going to be 7.6, it's going to be 7.7 is the mean. 7.7 minutes. Each of 8 students reported the numbers of movies they saw in the past year. Here's what they reported. So here are your 8 numbers. When you add those together, you get 81. And then you divide by how many numbers are on the list. So 81 divided by 8 is 10.125. But they want the nearest tenth, so a 10 has 1 0, so you want one number after your decimal. So you have to decide if it's going to stay or if it's going to go up. You look at the number beside that. If it's less than 5, you leave it alone. So we're going to call this 10.1 is the mean number of movies that they saw. Pet store has 5 cats. Here are their weights in pounds. Find the mean of the weight of the cat. So add these numbers up. When you add those numbers up, you get 42 divided by how many numbers are on the list. 42 divided by 5 is 8.4. So that's the nearest tenth already. It's perfect. So we don't have to round that one.